Lifted Van Meet, November 2025. It's just around the corner. So if you want to participate, let me know in the comment section and I'll give you the details. 30 people interested so far. I have a feeling this is going to be epic. Just to recap, just in case you missed the previous videos, and it gives me another excuse to show you guys some cool vans. Shout out to my buddy Jeff, Chief Does Stuff. I've known this guy for like 15 or 16 years from a previous YouTube life. Haven't met him in person yet, but he's driving down from Texas. He just got an Action Van Suspension Ultimate lift, and he just put in the rims and bigger tires. So here it is right here, looking nice. My buddy Oliver, Noble Horton, he went down to the March Lifted Van Meet, March 2025 meet. He met Ladder and Light Bar Ryan. Ladder and Light Bar Ryan was sitting on 4x4 parts, DIY parts, for 2 or 3 years. He decided to just get a 2-wheel drive lift kit, get it over with, stop sitting on the sidelines, and Oliver ended up buying his 4x4 parts and they became friends. So that's a Lifted Van Meet story right there. So Noble Horton, Oliver, here's his van right here. It's lifted. He still has to hook up the 4-wheel drive. I know a couple of you guys like Frederico still need to hook up the 4-wheel drive, but that's DIY 4x4 life right there. That's another story right there. It's a different perspective. So I'm hoping to interview everybody at this meet. It's gonna be a nice showcase. Yesterday's video was titled U-Joint Knockoff. Hopefully it didn't offend too many people. Here's the deal. Lifted van videos are not setting YouTube on fire. The YouTube algorithm does not care about lifted van videos. So I'm trying something different, trying to title things different. You know what the YouTube algorithm likes? YouTube algorithm thinks that you want to watch other dudes sleep, like other dudes that set their timer and pretend they're sleeping, and dudes eating in their van. That's what YouTube thinks you guys want. Let me know in the comment section. Is that what you guys want? Do you guys want to watch me pretend sleep and eat? So if you haven't seen the video already, here's Arthur's van right here. That thing's a monster. It's a secret 4x4 conversion. So hopefully Arthur shows up to this meet and you guys could ask him a bunch of questions. I can't give away all the secrets. It's not good for the algorithm. Another question I have for you guys. Who's local? Who's in San Diego? Arthur sells pizzas. I did not know the scope of how many pizzas Arthur sells, but let's support him. So I told Arthur, next time you do a pizza event, give me a week or 2 notice so we could get the San Diego crew together. We'll show up in our lifted vans and support you, man. I wish you guys the best of luck. You know what I always tell you guys? Make money off of this. You know, it's like if you could use this meet as an opportunity to grow your social media, grow your brand, grow your YouTube channel, your Instagram, TikTok, use this event. I heard there are other van channels that forbid you from filming and tell you guys don't use my name for clout. Don't use my name. If you're only here to grow your name, don't show up. That's not me. Hey, you guys got to get paid, man. So Arthur, let me know when you're doing your next pizza event. We'll get the San Diego crew together, buy some pizzas. That sounds like a good time. Hey, we haven't done a dedicated street parking lot hangout yet, so we'll do it, man. Gear checklist. If you've done this before, feel free to leave it in the comments. Anything I'm missing. This is just off the top of my head what may be important for you guys. So if you're gonna sleep in your van for a couple of days and you don't want to go in a bush, use the bathroom in a bush, this is a game changer right here. Get a Home Depot bucket or a Harbor Freight bucket, any 5-gallon bucket. They sell these toilet seat lids. I just cleaned it. It was sitting outside, so I wiped it up a little bit. But yeah, they sell these toilet seat lids. Put a bag in there. Use the bathroom when you're done. Pour some cat litter on there, tie it up. Good to go. It's about the height. It's almost the height of a normal toilet too. So Home Depot bucket, Harbor Freight bucket. Walmart sells them too. They're like $5. These are like $15. Game changer right here. Sega Genesis is optional. I recommend this game right here, Gaiares. If you're a guy and you need a #1, you just need a bottle. So this is for Brooke. So any female participants, These are around $80 right here. And the Home Depot bucket style, that's for number 2. But this is so you don't have to go outside in the middle of the night. So this ottoman right here, I disconnected it because my cat Gray Kid, she had a stroke January 15, 2025. She's still with me. She is a blessing and a miracle cat, and she's coming along this meet. So I'm gonna pull this out, and this whole section right here, I'm gonna get a kennel that's perfectly sized for this. So she has this whole back. See, having the extended Econoline paid off just for Gray Kid. I want a train horn because of Arthur, but I also bought this because of Arthur. All top compressor. If your tire recommends 80 psi back, 60 front, you know those little 12-volt compressors, those $20 ones off the shelf, it'll take 30 minutes a tire to fill it up with the cheapy 12 volts. This will fill up your tire from 20 psi to 60 psi in about 4 minutes. A lot faster. So good compressor is recommended, especially if you want to do the off-road portion of this meet. If you're a rough and tumble kind of gal or guy, you probably don't care about electricity. You don't need that wimpy stuff, but I need that wimpy stuff. So right now my battery's disconnected because I'm doing a Noco Genius 10 refurbish. That's a separate video right here. I just don't do lifted van videos, I do reviews. So I'm refurbishing my batteries right now because I like having electricity. I'm not rough and tumble. The weather report's really good right now. I think it's gonna be a low of 40 degrees at night, so pack the proper sleeping bag. I know a couple of you are running a diesel heater. I'm still running a buddy heater. It's back there somewhere. You might have saw it when I was filming back there. So here's some emergency equipment, tire plug kit. I do not like changing tires when they're flat. I rather plug them. It's a lot safer. So I actually have 2 tire plug kits in there. I have 2 of these radiator stop leaks. I actually had a leaky freeze plug. Use this and my freeze plug doesn't leak anymore. So this actually worked. Some tools. I got like, yeah. So people always lose their valve stem covers. So I got a bag of valve stem covers just in case you guys lose some. I got rescue tape. Supposedly this will seal up coolant hose. I have a couple of them. I got Street Fighter 2. That's very important for Sega Genesis. And I have a couple more things in here. Yeah, see, more rescue tape. There you go. TPMS. That's very important too. This is made by Time8. I'm running 60 all 4 corners. I should run 70, 80, 80 for fuel economy, but man, it rides rough when you go 70, 80, 80. 60, 60, 80, 80 is recommended. When we go off-roading, 20 all 4 corners for optimal results. Macaulay food tray. I recommend it so you could eat while you drive, especially if you're driving from a long distance. I should really check my Monopoly game. There might be $80,000 in this stack right now. Tire deflators right here. What else do I have? Let's go around. High lift jack right there. Storage box. I need to get a new recovery board pegs, and this I'm gonna Gorilla Glue it so I don't lose one. So no recovery boards. I would like to put them back on just to look cool. This is where I'm gonna put all my trash. I like having the storage box. It's really gaudy, but I use it all the time, man. To put my trash in, my dirty stuff. I'm gonna stack this with 2 milk crates. So I'm gonna put milk crate here, put some recovery straps, and then, you know, just some extra storage. Always comes in handy. All right, that was a little lifted van meet November 2025 hype. Really looking forward to seeing my friends again, and looking forward to meeting a lot of you for the very first time. Like I said, my buddy Jeff, I've known him for 15 or 16 years. Through a previous YouTube life, a couple of you I've known for years and years as well. I have a feeling this is gonna be the most epic of all meets. Like some really cool people showing up to this one, and some really cool vans. You guys have been building up your vans nicely in the past year. Like Oliver, man, Ryan, he has a new custom bumper to show off. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna do my best to get some really good footage on this one, so whoever can't show up, you're gonna have a lot of cool stuff to watch.